Hey everyone, welcome back to the fourth episode of Innovative Creations. So today we are going to do a DIY origami box. So for this you will need a square paper measuring 21 by 21 centimeter. Now fold the paper from bottom to the up. And then turn it like this and again fold the paper from bottom to the up. Unfold and fold it like this. Once it's perfect, turn the paper like this and take the right part of your fold and fold it like this towards the center point. Same way on the other side. Now open it and then do in the other two sides. Again fold it to the center. Open these two folds and fold like this. Try to make two triangles like this and fold the paper. Same way as the other side. So our box is ready. Similarly, you can make another box of the same size and provide it as a lid like this. So your box is ready. It is also with a lid. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.